Your Tesla is locked now. Sentry mode activated.
Hey y'all, welcome back to SHEFAST. Today we are accessorizing, okay? We have all of these wonderful products that were sent to us from our friends over at Evbase. Shout out to Evbase. Links in the description. 20% off with the code SHEFAST. So today we have 4 items that I'm going to be installing in my Tesla Model 3 Performance. Have this box, which is a silicone screen overlay. It's white. I really just got this one for the looks. These 2 boxes are going to be center console organizers, because if you know, you know. And then this black box is going to be a cover, carbon fiber cover for the side camera / turn signal. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so first we'll go ahead and do the camera covers. So I'm gonna open up the box and show y'all what we're working with. All right, so when you open up the box, this is what you see. These are very thin. These are actually very, very thin. So you don't have to worry about it looking bulky. You can see that it has double-sided tape. So that's how it's gonna stick on there. And we're just gonna put it up there like that. Very cute, very subtle. Now, for those of you who may be wondering, how well does this match up against the one on the trunk? Let's take a look. All right, so as you can see, the carbon fiber spoiler that comes with the Model 3 Performance is a matte carbon fiber, whereas these are actually glossy. I think they sell a matte version. They might have been out of stock. I'm not sure, but this is what they sent us, and this is glossy. But I also don't think you'll really be able to tell the difference, considering they're going to be pretty far away. So let's go ahead and get these put on. Okay, so as with any install that we do, especially ones that require mounting or sticking something up there, we're gonna first clean the surface. This is just plain isopropyl alcohol. So I'm gonna start by just spraying some alcohol on here, all around the top, the side. And I'm just gonna use this microfiber towel to dry it off. And I'm gonna make sure that this is nice and dry before I apply the cover. All right, looks dry to me. So this is how it's going on. So let's start by removing the backing, the red plastic backing here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line it up and then press it on. Uh-oh. Line it up and press it on, just like that. Very simple. Very simple. Changed up the look. Changed up the look. Just like that. Oh, I like it. I can't wait to get my... That's gonna look so nice. Okay, let's go to the other side. Very subtle. Easy peasy. Literally just stick it right on. All right, y'all. So next, we're going to put this screen bezel on. It's a silicone overlay for the screen. So when you open it up, it comes in this plastic packaging. Whoa. And you pull it out of the packaging, and this is all it is. It's just this. That's all. Got a fancy number 3 on the back, so you know that this is for the Model 3. Now, to put this on, of course, I am going to have to remove my radar detector mount, but it should fit back up there just fine after I install the overlay. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that down, which means I'm going to have to unplug it first. All right. And to put this on, we simply, I think, go from here, boom, boom, bam, and then bring this down like that, and it should fit right on. So that is it for the very simple, very quick, very cute install of this overlay. So I got this primarily because it's white and I thought that it would look really nice with the white interior. But please understand that this is also protective for your screen as well. So I'm sure a lot of people who have a Tesla already have a screen protector on their screen, but this here is also going to protect the frame edge from your screen, any accidental impact or potential damage from the edge of the screen. Now I know you can't drop your Tesla screen, but you know, you just never know what might happen up in here, and this is going to help to protect your screen. It's a really nice material. It's eco-friendly as well, no odor, and it's supposedly heat resistant too, so it shouldn't fade or warp or anything like that. So I'm looking forward to that. It fits really nice. It's like a perfect fit for this screen, and as you can see, the installation was really quick. So again, there's a link in the description. If you want one, use code SHEFAST to get 20% off. Let's put my radar detector back on. So this should still, yeah, just like that. There we go. All right, y'all. So next and last on our list is going to be these two here, center console organizers. And I'm sure you guys have seen this many times. Hey, I'm just accessorizing my Tesla and I figured I'd bring y'all along for the ride. So we have one that's going to go up front here, and we have one that's going to go underneath the armrest. And ooh, this is nice. This is nice, y'all. So this is silicone as well, and it's actually a two-piece, so you can remove this part if you need to, probably like for cleaning or something like that. And this is super sturdy. It's not heavy at all, but this is nice. It has an arrow on it. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that. It has an arrow on it. That arrow faces forward. Okay, that arrow faces the front of the car, so that when you put this in, it's a smooth slide, y'all. If you put it in the other way, it don't slide smooth. So make sure that you have the arrow facing forward. Okay, that's even better. I like that even better. Oh, I love that, y'all. We got the other box here. Open it up, and same thing, silicone, two pieces, very sturdy. I like this a lot. So this one, oh, this one just sits right on top here. Look at that. I like that. Yes, indeed. This one just sits right on top. So again, you still have access to all of your junk down in the bottom. Like, I'm gonna put this down there because I probably won't need that often. I'm gonna put my "you park like a moron" thing down there, and I'll put my hot hands down there. Yeah, and now I'm gonna put this here, and I'll put my son's this thing in here, the charger for his tablet, and I'm gonna put my monies here. Now listen, just because y'all see me with some money, now I'm on YouTube showing the world that I got money in my car. Y'all, please don't come trying to fool with my car for this change. You don't be on my Century camera anyway. But this ain't nothing but some change. It's probably a whole lot of change. There's probably a few dollars. There's a few dollars in there. But don't come for my change, y'all. So I'm going to put that there. There you are. There you have it. All right, y'all. So let me know what y'all think about today's video. If you like these items and you want to pick some up for yourself, make sure you click the link in the description and use code SHEFAST so you can get 20% off. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so and click that notification bell so you can be notified next time we post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support. We'll see y'all in the next video.